Aleko sliding gate operator, the AR900, will include one gate operator, one mounting metal plate, two remotes, 13 foot of nylon gear racks, and all the installation hardware and instructions needed. The AR900 can operate gates weighing up to 900 pounds or 30 feet in length. It includes a soft start and stop function and has an operating time of 44 seconds. Nylon gear racks are reinforced with a metal insert two RF hopping code remotes included, along with the hardware and easy installation instructions. A built-in manual key release was designed in case of power loss.